everyone, thank you for watching. I'm glad you're here watching this video. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much. If you're not, please subscribe. It's so easy to do. Just click on the red button on the bottom, my left hand corner, your right hand corner. Don't forget to click on the notification bell to get all the notifications of when a new video comes out. We're going to have a few videos now that we're going to be recording around home. And I'm with my kids, they're out of school, I'm homeschooling them. We're going to do a few things like cleaning the house or organizing, and maybe that could be helpful for you as well. So subscribe and click on the notification and keep watching. So we are going to show you an experiment, right? We're going to teach you about the coronavirus or any virus.
Yeah.
So we have
pepper,
a plate with water, so they each have a plate with water.
Yeah.
This pepper is the virus.
It represents it.
It represents the virus.
And we're going to put our finger inside.
Yes, you are. So we're going to sneeze here with this pepper. So both of you put your finger in the pepper. I'm going to do it. I'm going to videotape a little bit with my phone so it's you have a close-up.
Ready?
Ready. So put your finger in the virus. What happened?
We got the virus on our finger.
Let me see your finger. Yes, you do. So what happens if you touch me?
You get it.
You're giving me the virus.
Take it out.
So now I'm going to touch my face and I got the virus, right?
Right.
We got to avoid this,
Yes.
don't we?
So
what happens then? Now I'm going to give you some soap and water. You're going to wash your hand, or in this case the finger. Wait, Mateo, wait. And you have too much, Subby. And they're going to put it in the virus. What happened to the virus?
It's scared.
Look!
Run away!
Run away!
Virus, run away! And then your hand is clean.
That's what. So when you wash your hands, you're getting rid of the virus, right?
Yeah.
So you wash your hands and you get rid of the virus. So what is the coronavirus? Tell Mateo so they can see you. What is the coronavirus?
The new 2020 virus.
Right. And what happens? What's happening right now in the world?
All the old people are dying.
Yeah, and that's sad, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we need to help stop spreading the virus. That's what we're staying home right now. We're not going anywhere, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're trying to be safe. We're trying to stay home. And I only went out to do grocery shopping.
Twice.
I went twice, right? So we're trying to avoid.
And
it's called social distancing.
And when
Can't say
they
it. Social
went grocery
distancing.
shopping, all the shelves were empty.
I know, crazy, right? People are getting scared. Should we get scared?
No.
No, we shouldn't get scared. You know why? Because we know what to do.
Yeah.
We need to wash our hands.
And stay calm.
And stay calm, right? Because when you get stressed out, that doesn't help, does it?
Yeah, because you're so stressed, you can get it.
Well, not because of that, but you have to be calm.
Yeah, like...
Because there's a lot of elderly people out there trying to get groceries as well. I know you're having fun with this pepper virus. Okay, so that was our experiment. And
we're gonna call this experiment the new 21 pepper virus.
Yeah, it's a pepper virus. So just be safe out there and wash your hands.
And stay safe and stay in school.
When should you wash your hands?
All the time. All the time.
Yeah, but
when you start eating. When you eat.
Before you start eating.
When you brush your teeth, and if before you go to bed, when you wake up, and when you eat.
But you should also do it if you cough and sneeze in your hand if you're sick, right?
Gotta wash your hands.
What happens you go outside or you're in school and you touch the doorknob? What should you do?
When you're home, wash.
You should do it right away though.
Yeah, wash like there's no tomorrow.
But if you don't have a washroom close by, to ask your teacher.
Yeah, we can use hand sanitizer if you don't have a washroom close by. That's what hand sanitizer is for. But washing your hands is always best.
Yeah.
It's the one that keeps the virus away for sure.
Yeah, and drinking water.
Because hand sanitizers doesn't kill all the viruses. But right now, I think for coronavirus, it's
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
I think it's norovirus that it doesn't. It won't work for norovirus.
And what was the one that I had?
You had pneumonia not that
Yeah.
long ago.
And I just had virus. I just had virus.
You never had one.
I did. I did, right?
No, you didn't.
Okay. That's besides the point. But yeah, it'll work. It'll work for any virus. Most viruses. Not all viruses, but always wash your hands. That's the best thing to do, right?